Welcome to Hands-on on GraphQL for Better RESTful Web Services course. Hi, my name is Ashwin Hegde and I work as a software engineer. I have several years of experience on front-end and back-end using JavaScript, including responsive web development and mobile experience. I will be your instructor for rest of this course. The course overview. Let's try to understand what we are going to learn in this course. Well, the course is divided into 6 sections. We'll begin with section 1, getting ready to install and explore, where we'll try to understand the basic concepts of GraphQL, and we'll also try to set up our application stack for client and server environment. Followed by section 2, getting started with GraphQL server. Here we are going to set up our GraphQL server using Node.js ecosystem. We'll also define few schemas and types in this section. And we'll see the debugging environment which are available for GraphQL. Followed by section 3, working with GraphQL client. Here we are going to see different clients which are available for GraphQL. We'll choose one client and we'll start the application building for frontend. Followed by section 4, authentication modules, where we are going to authenticate user for our application. We'll also introduce mutation in this section. Followed by section 5, validation, error handling and security. As name sounds, we are going to perform validation for our fields. We are going to perform and see how we can do error handling in GraphQL, and we'll see few security related stuff which are very much important for GraphQL application and query development. Followed by section 6, adding features, where we'll see how we can implement pagination and what all different options are available for pagination. We'll also see the concepts like caching, batching and subscription. Let's try to understand what all prerequisites are required to begin with this course. Well, we need an operating system, either Mac OS or Windows or Linux. We need basic softwares like browsers, Node.js, MongoDB database, and Visual Studio Code editor. We need a third-party key for Google Maps API key. You can click on this link and get your API key for JavaScript APIs. Let's try to understand our course goal. We are going to learn about GraphQL and its core concept, and we'll see how GraphQL is better RESTful web services. We'll also implement GraphQL on server side using Express GraphQL. And we'll also implement GraphQL on client side using React and Relay model. We'll see the concepts like authentication, validation, error handling, and security. And we'll also implement pagination. And we'll also know more about caching, batching, and subscription in GraphQL. So again, I will welcome you for this course, and let's begin and jump into this course and start building the application using GraphQL.